How I made this video using Higgsfield AI. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I created this effect using Higgsfield and Cinema Studio 2. So let's start with step 1. First, you take your reference image and upload it to your prompt section. Then generate an overhead view of the character laying on the bed. Use a prompt like overhead shot of him laying down on bed. Run a few generations until you find the frame you like. Once you have that frame, the next step is creating a clean plate of the room. Remove the character from the bed. You can prompt something like, remove my character from the bed and make the room look like everything was blown around by the wind. Now you have your room empty plate. Next, take your character and generate the sky falling scene. Use a prompt like, make it look like I am falling out of the sky. You can describe the sky however you want, daytime, sunset, morning, or night. Generate a few options until you find the right falling pose you like. Once you have the right frame, remove your character from that image. This gives you an empty sky plate. Now take the empty bed frame image and use it as a reference. Generate a new shot of the room, but this time from a different angle. For example, a doorway perspective. Then add your reference image back in the frame. I said, have my character sitting on the edge of the bed with a surprised look on his face. Now we move into video generation. Open Cinema Studio 2, add your start frame and end frame into the prompt section, and use a prompt like this. Run a few tests. If the result isn't quite right, adjust the prompt slightly and render it again until you find the version you like. This step was a little more challenging. At first I tried to use start end frames, but the results weren't great. So instead I used Cinema Studio 2 multi-shot feature. I selected 3 reference images, the image of me falling, the image of me on the bed, and the empty sky frame. The start frame was just an empty sky. Then I used this prompt. I did this because I wanted the shot to start on the empty sky, bring the character into frame, let him fall for a moment, and then teleport him back into the bedroom. Single shots didn't work as well for this, but the multi-shot tool handled it perfectly. Once everything finished rendering, I stitched the clips together, and that's how I made this video.